Hey everybody, I just got this in the mail. It is the Himi Miya Gouache set that I've been seeing, and I ordered it off of Amazon. I will link it down below. This is what the cover looks like. It just has Himi written here, gouache. There's 18 colors and it's 30 ml each. And the back looks like this. It has all the colors listed. When you open it up, there is a palette that it comes with. Inside, it's just a bunch of jelly cups. From my reviews I was watching, people were saying that's really hard to take out. And it is. You kind of have to take it out in order because they overlap one another. So I guess it's good when you have it open and you don't want it dropping. But for you, taking it off the first time, it might be a little bit difficult. I also saw some people complaining that it was really hard to peel off the lids. So I've kind of dedicated a couple of minutes to work on this. So they actually just look like any standard chicken nugget sauce or like jelly cup style. Now I'm going to start peeling. So some people are saying to preserve it, you can spray water on the tubes every single time so that it doesn't dry out. Alright, so that was a green, and now it is this really beautiful turquoise color. The tops are not hard to peel at all. Okay, I just ripped off all the little tops of the jelly cups and my hands are a mess. I tried so hard to keep it clean and I tried really hard to be careful, but I still got it everywhere. The colors look really, really good. I'm gonna try and do a little painting with this paint. So I'm just gonna work on one of the pieces I was working on last time. This is a tattoo that I was drawing, so like barbecue pork. It's just a quick sketch. I'm going to paint it in with gouache tonight. So I'll work on my painting, but for now I just have to go pick up my mom's cake because it's her birthday today. I will paint the barbecue pork once I come back from getting a cake. I just got the cake. I went to T&T and I got a chocolate fruit cake. You know Asians love fruitcake. And then I also bought some extra things, drinks. Got this lemon tea, lemon cha, my favorite. And then I also got this, I've never seen this before. It's the Waita Hong Kong style milk tea, I guess. So I'm gonna try this. Never seen. If you guys have seen this before, let me know in the comments. But I have never seen this. Yeah, it just tastes like milk tea. Here is my sketchbook. And then I have my paint right here. This is the palette. And then I have two paintbrushes right here. These are really cheap paintbrushes. And then I just have some water. I have a piece of paper towel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna test out the colors and how I wanna do it. So this is not perfect. Actually, it's not very good at all, but I just did it really quickly. It's my first time ever using gouache and I think I have kind of a better idea on how to use this. It's RSM. Today is the second last Saturday. I will be here in my downtown condo and I'm going to miss this place so much. I have a few things planned. First of all, I wanted to make banana bread because my bananas are going so bad. I think they're still okay for banana bread though. After I make banana bread, I am going to do a painting. I've been doing this thing where I try to paint
the same thing for 7 days so that I can really get better at it. As you can see, I've gotten through 4 days, and yesterday was supposed to be my 5th day, but for some reason I was so tired. I took a nap after work and then I slept really early at night, and I never usually do that. Anyways, I'm just gonna kind of ignore yesterday and start today and just continue 3 more days to finish off my 7th. So I'm not feeling too good about what I'm drawing right now. I don't know why. I mean, it's not like I'm really good at drawing anyways, but then there's just some times where I feel like I just can't get the colors right. I don't know. So I'm gonna take a little break, and my banana bread is done, so I'm going to eat that first. I finally finished it. It took me so long. Let me just go through them. This is the first one I did, which is really bad. It's the very first time I've ever used gouache, so I didn't really know how to control the colors, the opacity of it, and just I didn't know how to use it at all. And then this is my day 2, where I actually did much better and I knew how to paint with gouache, and I used pretty thick paint here. For day 2, it just came really easy to me. For day 3, I was trying to play with the colors more, because this one, you can see the colors look very white, and normal barbecue pork does not look that white. It looks more brown. So I tried to play with the colors, but as you can tell, like, I didn't really know how to work with white gouache because I was trying to do reflection, and I don't think I should have done it like this. But anyways, I was just trying out the colors. These are actually different reference photos, so that's why it doesn't look exactly the same. For the 4th day, this is just really bad. I think I was just not in the mood, and I was watching a TV show, and I felt like I just had to do my challenge, and I came up with this, which is really ugly, but at the same time I wasn't really trying. I was just trying to get it done. So I guess this is what happens when you force yourself to paint when you're not in the mood. And then on July 3rd, I skipped a day, and today's July 4th, so today I decided to do 2 barbecue porks to make up for it. Today I struggled with the colors, and I was trying to make everything way too pink. This reference photo had more burnt sides to it, like the skin was more burnt, so that's why it looks like this. It looks alright. It's not my favorite. I think this is still my favorite technique. I just added a very light wash of more of a salmon color on top to give it more depth and texture. Today is day 6, and I just finished the barbecue pork painting for today. I feel a lot better about it now, and I think I've kind of figured out the techniques that I want to use, especially for the lighter portion. I like that look, and I have a better grasp on how to create that pattern for the meat. And now I'm just practicing the outer layer, which I really need to work on because it kind of looks like a heart, like the organ heart. This is it for day 6. I just finished my barbecue pork gouache paint challenge. So as you can see here, here's all the barbecue porks that I did. This one looked okay. It's not my favorite. It was my last one. But overall, I'm very happy with how this turned out. Very, very happy about this. I forgot to film an outro, so here I am talking to you guys over the footage of me making my banana bread. I just want to say that in the beginning of the video, I was a little bit sad about the fact that my art skills are pretty bad.
But as I practiced for 7 days, I found that I got noticeably better, which by the way, I am still by no means good at art. So I think it's important to remember that sometimes you just have to keep trying at it and working on it because it will get better. That's really the message I wanted to convey in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy you stayed until the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!